What's up guys, welcome in this brand new video. As you may notice, I haven't changed my shirt since the last video. Pretty weird, huh? Alright, without wasting more time, let's get into this video. So today we are gonna talk about what software you need to start trading Forex. You mainly are gonna need two things, but before I start, I have a disclaimer to do. Nothing of what I'm about to say is gonna be financial advice. My number one best advice will always be do your own diligence. You are gonna need mainly two things. The first, a broker, and second, a platform. So now you may be asking, what do I need a broker for? You need a broker to create a account, either demo or real. Today we are not going to talk about real accounts because if you are starting out, ideally you want to create a demo account. There are many brokers out there, and yes, some of them are shady, but I also believe there are very good ones out there. If I were to pick a broker, I would choose a broker that has low spreads and high leverages. And now you may be asking, what the heck is a low spread and high leverages? Basically, a broker with low spreads means that you are able to buy or sell very close to the current market price. So you can imagine the spreads are as two lines, the top one being the buy price, and then the bottom one would be, in that case, the market price. The closer these lines are, the better, and that means the closer they are, the lower the spreads are on the broker. High leverages basically means that you can expose your account to more risk, allowing you to open a position much bigger than your account size. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm gonna do, if requested from you guys, a deeper explanation on how leverages work, returning to talk about brokers. I would also stick with the most popular ones. So there's no actually ways to distinguish which one are shady and which one are worth the trust. But you know, the most popular ones are those ones that have been in the field for a very long time, and that's a very good indicator. So I will make you guys a list. It's gonna be on the screen. I currently use Fusion Markets. I've been using it for a year now and I haven't had any issue so far. It's not sponsored. You know, you can pick the other one I just listed for you. After you sign up for a broker, you can immediately create a demo account. It's pretty easy. I'll show you some clips on the screen on how Fusion Markets works. Every broker is a little bit different, so if you guys have any trouble, don't hesitate to contact the assistants. Besides that, after you create your demo account, some brokers can already ask you for ID verification, which basically means you have to send ID and address documentation, which will be like your ID and maybe some utility bills. Okay, Aldo, I've done everything. I've done all of this. What do I do? Now I have my demo account nice and ready and all set up. So now what you guys are gonna need is a platform where you can open and manage your trades. The most popular one is Metatrader. There are two versions of these, 4 and 5. Basically, there's no real difference between the two. 5 it's a little more modern looking and actually easier to set up. I'll stick with the Metatrader 5. And now I'm gonna show you in the screen a little bit on the app, how to set it up, how to connect your broker to the app, and how to see you in the screen, which is behind me. Okay guys, so here we go. This is the platform, Metatrader 5. I already signed in my demo account, as you can see here, down here. Those are pretty numbers, huh? But it's all virtual money, so it's not real. How did I sign in my account? When you create your demo account on your broker, they are gonna send you an email with all the credentials, and then when you download the Metatrader platform, you open like this, you go to File, open an account here, and then you're gonna look for your broker here. I already have a bunch of brokers, of course, and I don't need to retype it again, Fusion Markets. And then, okay, so I just saw some rights are still in Italian, I don't know why, but it's gonna be in your native language. You're gonna go to connect with an existing trade account, and then login. They are gonna write to you. They're gonna write to you also the password, and then which server you are going with. So in your case, it would be something and then demo, like this. I don't need to do it again because I already signed in. And then once you open your first chart, you're gonna have here on the left a bunch of Forex pairs. I actually hide them all and left the only one I actually trade, which is here. And then you can right click here and then chart window, and then it's gonna open a window like this. Then right click on the chart, properties, colors here, and then you can adjust whatever color you like. There's a lot of them, so yeah. Also here on the top you can actually bar charts. I prefer candles like this. I already have my presets for Metatrader, which is this one. If you guys like the colors, just let me know and I can drop it in the comment section. Okay guys, so the last thing we need to go over is how you actually open and close a trade. There's many ways you can do that. You can right click on the chart and go over on trading up here and then new order, or you can also go up here, new order, and here you go. There are two types of order: market execution, which means you're gonna open a trade right now, or pending order, which means you are of interest in some levels and your order is gonna be triggered once price reach that level. Then you have market execution, which we are gonna try right now. The volume here is just how much you're risking. I'm gonna release a future video on how you can manage your risk and how you can calculate how many lots. So the stop loss is basically a line. If price reaches that line, you're gonna be taken out for a loss. And the take profit is the same thing, but for profits. You are gonna ask now, but why the hell you need a stop loss for? And my short answer will be, price can go against you for a very long period of time. So you have to use a stop loss, but I'm gonna go deeper and do more explanation on future videos. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna try to buy the market here. Buy. We have this trade open with 25 lots. The black line, the solid one, is the current market price, and the other one is just my position. As you can see, we are on a loss because if we buy, we expect price to go higher. Since price is lower than my position, it's currently losing. If you want to open a stop loss, you can click here, or you can also, which is much easier, drag a line here. This is the stop loss, and then release where you want, like here. Okay, so now you have a stop loss, and you can do the same for take profits. Like you drag a line on the other side, and here's your take profit. If price reaches one of these two lines, the trade is gonna be done, either for a loss or for a win. Right now we are losing 1,000 euro. Luckily for me, they are all virtual, so all fake money. So I don't really care. And yeah, if you want to close the trade, you just press this X, and yeah, your trade is done. And you just lost 1,000 euro. Woo! In a matter of some minutes. Pretty wild, huh? There's here the tab is the history tab, which means you can go over all your current position, and you can also adjust this to have a better look to your losing trades. Wow, what a view. If you guys want to know more about this platform, just drop a suggestion on the comment. Also, I forgot, here on the upper left corner you have the time frames, but you actually don't need them that much because you're gonna do analysis on another website, which I showed on my day in the life video. I also explained what those time frames are on that video, so make sure to check that out. Alright guys, so we are at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you found it useful, and see you guys at the next one. Peace.